So, hi students, today we are going to see fractions, decimal percentages chapter, more worked out problems. So, the first question, write each of the following fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so the first question is 54 divided by 72. We need to see with which number we can divide 54 and 72. It's like we can directly see it is divisible with 3, with 4, with 5. When some students, when they see the number itself, they will get it. If you are not getting it, go with the lower options, but the only rule is choose the same number up and down. Now 54 divided by 2 is 27. Now 72 divided by 2 is 36. Now, look again 27 and 36. They both are coming in the table of 9. For thinking it quickly, you should be very good in multiplication table. Now, 27 by 9 is 3 and 36 divided by 9 is 4. So we get the simplified answer 3 by 4. Next one, 36 divided by 108. We can start with 2. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. How we get that answer? You have to divide with like this to get it. Okay. Now 108 divided by 2 is 54. Now again we can divide it with 2. So 9 2s are 18 and here 27. Now this looks more easy. 9 and 27 is in the table of 9. So we can divide it with 9. So we will get 1 by 3. This is how we are simplifying it. More examples. 77 divided by 121. They both are in the table of 11. So we can divide both with 11. 77 by 11 is 7. 121 by 11 is 11. And we are done with the simplification. So the thing is, at least you should have an idea about multiplication tables till 12. Next one, 26 divided by 65. So here we divide it by 2. See, 65 is not an even number. We cannot divide it by 2. Think about 3. Now, not possible with 3. So how you should know that is you can divide by 3. You can divide and check like this. Okay. So with 4, with 5, I'll try with the table of 13. So 13 multiplied 2 is 26. And it's a random guess. Okay, I'm trying what's 13 with 5, 65. See? So it's actually with the table of 13. We can divide both with 13. So here you will be getting 2 and down you will be getting 5. 2 over 5. And now this one, 19 and 24. 19 is actually a prime number. What we normally do is we check divide by 2. Is it possible? No. We will do divide by 3, 4. We will check all the numbers. Okay, that's what the normal process. But the trick here is 19 is a prime number. We cannot divide 19 with any numbers. So this itself is the simplified form. We cannot simplify it more. Okay, so like that, you try this one. This is for you to try by yourself. The tip is start with divide by 2 and simplify it step by step. Now, do the following calculations. So it's the first ones is easy, normal addition of fractions. The rule is the denominator must be same for doing the addition. Here it's already same, so the answer is 7 over 11. 14 over 37 minus 12 over 37. Now it's subtraction of fractions and the denominator is same. So what we need to do is just subtracting the numerators. So the answer will be 2 over 37. Now the next one. It's addition and subtraction with a common denominator. So 7 plus 13 minus 15 with the common denominator 23. 7 plus 13 is 20. Those who don't know that quick calculation, you can write like this and do it. 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 minus 15 is 5. So 5 over 23 is the answer. Now the next one. Thus also the same addition and subtraction with same denominators. So try this out. Now some more calculations. Okay, some more calculations, but the denominators are not same. Do the following calculations, give your answers in their simplest form. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6. So here the task is the denominators are not the same. So we need to make it same and then do the calculation. So 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6. So either the denominators should be 3 or the denominator must be 6. You can change it to the bigger option. So you can multiply the first fraction with 2 up and down so that the denominator will be 6. So simplified. 1 multiplied 2 is 2. 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Minus, copy the same. Now see, this looks much simpler with the common denominator. So just subtract 2 and 1. That's the task. And here is the answer. Second one, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 10. Look, the denominators are not same. So try, can you change the first denominator as 10? Yes, multiplying with 5, we can make it 10. So 1 multiply 5 is 5, 2 multiply 5 is 10, minus, copy the same. Now you see the denominators are same, so just subtract the numerators. So the answer will be 4 over 10. But look at the question, the final answer must be in simplest form. 4 and 10 we can divide with 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. We just simplified the fraction. Now next one. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. So either both denominators should be 2, but that's not possible, or both should be 5, that's also not possible. In this case, we can make like multiply these two numbers, 2 and 5, 10. So we can make 10 as the denominator. So here you multiply with 5 and here you multiply with 2. So we will get the denominator as 10. How do we know the number 10? Multiply these two numbers. That's how you decide what can be the denominator. There are many options. We can make the denominator as 20. We can make the denominator as 100. There are so many options. But the simplest form, the simplest idea to think is multiply these two numbers. Okay, so 1 multiply 5 is 5. 2 fives are 10. 1 twos are 2. 5 twos are 10. So 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10 is 3 by 10. And this is how we do addition and subtraction by making the denominator same. Okay, we have more questions. Try these by yourself by making the denominator same. So here in this question D, what can be the denominator? You can make 8 as the denominator. So the first fraction you can multiply with 4. The second fraction you can multiply with 2 to get the denominator same as 8. Look at here, you can make 18 as a common denominator because the second fraction if you multiply by 2, you will get the denominator 18. The third fraction if you multiply by 3, you will get the denominator 18. So like that you need to choose first which number can be the denominator, which number can be the common denominator. Accordingly we need to simplify. Okay.